Today we're starting a module called Matrices and Application. So we'll look at what is a matrix. Now here we have a table. You can see that there's names all the way down on the left hand side. I won't read out all the names. And there's different things: heights, weights, age and pulse rate. Now if we try and put this into a matrix, well, first of all, a matrix has a capital letter. So it's always denoted by a capital letter. And it has square brackets, as you can see. Okay, these square brackets over here. We put things in the same order. We don't have to put the headings height, weight, age, pulse rate, etc. We just keep them in the same order. Now, we can use these matrices to do quite a number of different things, as we'll see throughout this chapter. Rows and columns. We denote a matrix by rows and columns. That's how many rows and how many columns it has. So if we count how many rows this one has, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rows, and we have columns 1, 2, 3, 4. So the order of this matrix is 8 by 4. Okay, we don't multiply them out, we don't say it's 32, we'll leave it as 8 by 4. It's an order of a matrix. Inside the matrix, there's numbers, as you can see. There was 173, 57, etc. These things are called elements. We don't call them numbers, we call them elements. Okay?
So this is more just of definitions of matrices.
That's right. Here we just have a row matrix. This is what K is, just a row matrix. It's because we have one row only. Doesn't matter how many columns we have. The order of this one here is 1 row and 4 columns, so 1 by 4. There's another type of matrix. It's called a column matrix, column vector as well. This time you can see it's only one column. How many rows do we have? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one is an 8 by 1. That's the order of this column matrix. Square matrices. Square matrices are matrices that have the same number of rows and the same number of columns. This one here, you can see, has 4 rows and it has 4 columns. So we'll count the columns in a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one is a square matrix, 4 by 4. We do not start at 0 when we count either the rows or the columns. Remember, we always start counting by number 1. Alright, some notation that you'll need to know. Each number, each element in the matrix, we're able to find it. First of all, it's denoted by the little letter of the matrix. So if we've got capital A here for the matrix, then all the elements in there are little a. Now we talk about position. You can see there's 2 numbers right underneath on the right hand side of them. The first one is the row number, so it tells us which row number it's in. The second one tells us which column number it's in. Okay, so this one, A23, means it is in row 2, column number 3. Very important. 26A, the questions that you can do for that one.